Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Saxena, Associate Professor, Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. In today's video lecture, we'll discuss about the different factors that affects the microbiological spoilage. In the previous video, we have discussed that the pharmaceutical products, they can easily be contaminated by various categories of the microorganism. In the pharmaceutical preparation, various ingredients are available. Maybe it is a therapeutic agent or API, or maybe these are the excipients which are added along with the API in order to produce different categories of the formulation. So these different ingredients which are available in the pharmaceutical preparation can definitely act as a source for the growth of various categories of the microorganism. So in today's video lecture, we'll discuss about what are the factors that can affect the microbiological spoilage. Now the first factor is the size of the inoculum. That is the number of the microorganism that is available in the pharmaceutical product. If the number of the microorganism is very less, then we can say that the growth will be very less and the chances of the spoilage of the pharmaceutical product will again be very less. And if the contaminants or the spoiling microorganism, they are available in a very large number in any pharmaceutical preparation, then these categories of the pharmaceutical product can easily be spoiled by the presence of the microorganism. And even if the preservation process has not been done very properly, so if a very small amount of microorganism is available, maybe in injection, if some pseudomonas species is available, then in that case, if it is not well preserved, then it can also causes a very big health hazard. And it is also observed that if we are talking about some tablet or some capsule, and if it is having a well preserved categorization, in that case, if some more amount of the microorganism is also available, then also our preparation can be protected from the spoilage. We have also discussed that if we are talking about the pharmaceutical preparation, then because of the attack of the microorganism, various kind of the physical and the chemical changes may take place in the preparation, and these changes can be observed with the help of various organoleptic features also. Maybe you will find that in our preparation there is some change in the color, odor, taste, or the stability of any pharmaceutical preparation, or maybe some phase separation type of things can occur. So that basically show that in our preparation some microorganisms are actually growing and they are spoiling the pharmaceutical preparation or any cosmetic preparation, and some physical and chemical changes are actually taking place in that preparation. So here the inoculum size definitely plays a very important role. Now the next factor is the nutritional factor. We know that the pharmaceutical preparation is having so many ingredients, and these ingredients provide carbon, nitrogen and other nutritional sources which are essential for the growth of the microorganism. So if the pharmaceutical preparation is a very complex preparation that consists of a large number of the ingredients, so these ingredients will offer different nutritional factor and the growth of the microorganism will be very easy in that category of the formulation. Now the next factor is the moisture contained. Water is a very big source of contamination because the microorganism, if have to show the growth, then water is very essential. So if your pharmaceutical preparation is not well stored, for example, if it is written that it has to be kept in a very tightly closed container, it means we are trying to protect the preparation from the moisture. And if the preparation is having the tendency to easily absorb the moisture, then in that case also, if the moisture will be absorbed, if the water will be available, then the attack of the microorganism will be very easy as compared to the preparation which is free from any moisture or the water contained. Now the next factor is the temperature. Temperature also plays a very important role in the growth of the microorganism. We know that various microorganisms, they grow at different optimum temperature. So for example, again, if in the pharmaceutical preparation it is written that it has to be kept in a cool temperature or maybe in a cool place. So that indication is just because if we'll put that preparation in the cool condition, in that case many categories of the spoiling microorganism may not grow. So temperature again plays a very important role. If the temperature available surrounding the pharmaceutical preparation, if it will favor the growth of the microorganism along with the other factor, maybe the nutritional factor, maybe the size of the inoculum, then the growth and the spoilage of the pharmaceutical product again will be very easy. Next factor is the pH. Again, pH also plays a very important role. Like as in case of the temperature, we know that every microorganism grow at a particular temperature. So same is the case with the pH also, and every microorganism grows at a particular pH. But that pH is generally at the neutral side. So if the pharmaceutical preparation is having somewhat acidic characteristic, or maybe if it is having some basic characteristic, then again the spoilage with the microorganism can be preserved. But we should not forget that various microorganisms, they can also have the tendency to grow in these extreme conditions also, like molds. Like molds can easily grow in the acidic environment. So again in that case also we need to think about, if we are finally formulating a preparation, then what should be the suitable pH, what should be the suitable microorganism that can easily show the growth in the preparation. So accordingly to that we need to adjust the pH of the formulation. And the last one is the redox potential. The oxygen is, again, we have in the previous videos we have also discussed that most of the industrial microorganism or the microorganism that causes the contamination of the pharmaceutical product, they are generally aerobic in nature. Aerobic means they requires the oxygen for their growth. And if the oxygen is available along with all the other factors that favors the growth of the microorganism, then in that case the oxygen will also facilitate the growth of the microorganism, and your pharmaceutical preparation will get easily spoiled by the microorganism. So these are about all the different factors that can affect the microbiological spoilage. So if we'll keep in our mind before formulating any pharmaceutical preparation, we need to assess that if we are preparing the X category of the formulation, what are the ingredients that will offer the growth of the microorganism, how we can protect the growth of the microorganism, what should be the suitable indication that need to be written on the bottle or any packaging material that help in the preservation of the preparation from the attack by the microorganism. Thank you so much.